Welcome. I'm Karin Hansen, Vice President of Design Innovation at Intuit, and today I'm here to speak with Eric Ries, author of The Lean Startup. So Eric, there are a few myths around the Lean Startup that I believe cause teams some real consternation and sometimes help them to get off track as opposed to on track. One of those myths is that lean means cheap, and it's about spending as little money as possible. Tell us more.
Yeah, that really is very misleading, because the word lean in Lean Startup comes from lean manufacturing, which was a system of management and building things from the Japanese, from the Toyota production system, and has really revolutionized the way that physical products are manufactured in the world. But lean was really all about focusing on that fundamental cycle time, which in a factory is the time between when you get an order and how soon you can deliver that order to customers. But in a manufacturing business, you generally already know who the customer is and what they want. Startups should be so lucky to have that information, since a startup is really an experiment about how to build a sustainable business. Our fundamental cycle time is how much time elapses between when we have an idea for a product and when we've validated whether that idea is any good or not. So lean is really not about being cheap, it's about speed. It's about going quickly through that build, measure, learn feedback loop and discovering what customers actually want.
But I think there's an important nuance here. I think it's not just about going fast, but I think it's about going fast at answering the most important questions or the right questions. Can you talk a little more about that?
The challenge is that most of the time when startups fail, it's not that they're working inefficiently, it's just that they're working very efficiently on the wrong things. And the biggest waste of all is building something that nobody wants. So the way to be more efficient in an entrepreneurial setting is not to work harder. It's not to adopt the latest, technology or building methodology. It's about figuring out what are those questions we're really trying to ask and gearing everything in the company towards learning what customers actually want.